is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is January something or other, like 6th, something like that, and it's 55 degrees and sunny today. So what happens when it's that nice, especially after we've had so much rain, is we get the foxes out. We're going to be doing some projects on this car today, which we'll get in there in a minute and let you show that thing. But we got Alex's car here. You know Alex's car. Boom. Got his car. And Alex, actually, his car is dirty. That's how you know it's been raining for a long time, because Alex never lets his car get dirty. And then, of course, I got my little beast out. We're actually trying to do some adjusting on the hood, get the hood lined up back right. But, yep, so we got the beast. And then, as you can see over there, Ken is here. But let's go inside, check out what we're working with today. Got a few projects on Clint's car. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so this is Clint's 1991 black on black notch. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. This thing is ridiculously clean. Got all the Maximum Motorsport suspension, AFR heads, Edelbrock intake, upper and lower. But it's in for a little work today. And if you don't think this car is slick, look at that. Yeah, this car is slick. I'll let you see the interior real quick. There she is, ladies and germs. And there, let's go down the quarter glasses. Yeah. But anyway, guys, this car is in for several different projects. One, we've got a little bit of a coolant leak that we're trying to nail down, so we got to get a pressure tester on it. We've got an exhaust leak that we're going to have to try and figure out, and we're also going to roll the fender lips, because as you can see, the tires are rubbing pretty good. So got a few projects we're going to try and knock out on this bad boy today. And no, we're not going to coyote swap it. We don't coyote swap everything. But this car is ridiculous. You're going to get to see some cool stuff. And we actually, for the first time, get to use our Eastwood fender roller, which is the right way to roll fenders, especially when you have a car this nice. You want to do it right. So we're going to do that in this video too. Let's go.
What's going on there?
Look at that thing.
Dude, me and Matt.
Good night.
It's got numbers all over that thing.
Yeah,
Sure, all
it
that
does
means
too. Every one of them. So the other project we got going on today is, what are we doing, Ken? Ken's reading.
See what we're gonna do? We're gonna put that transmission up in there.
Right.
We're gonna
But
put the clutch in.
not only
we're gonna marry him. Ain't that right?
We're gonna marry them.
not only do we have
Both
to
gonna say I
make
do.
sure we've got all the tolerances right on the clutch, but we may have to do some checking on the bell housing too. Ken is reading the destructions right now.
The destruction.
But yeah, that's one of the other projects
If
we
I
got
can't
going
read,
on.
is that a problem?
Yes. But I mean, you look like you're really doing something, you know.
I can't see that close.
I
I know, right? I might start
And
wondering
then,
me.
so we're also, and if you remember seeing my car, Mr. Hankey, we don't know if we're going to have to, like on my car, we ground on the starter. On Mr. Hankey, we had to grind on the QuickTime to clear the headers. So we'll know that in a minute, but unfortunately, this isn't just a quick bolt in. All right. So these are not 1 5/8. These are not 1 3/4. These are 1 7/8 Cooks. Good Lord. Look at the size of those things. Man. Yeah, that's the pain in the rear one. The other one is the easy one. Yes, sir. Ken, look at the size of those tubes. Ken likes them big, ladies and gentlemen. Jeez Louise. Alex, those things are freaking huge.
You're fired.
These things are huge. They are works of art, too.
Ladies and gentlemen, drop me a comment below if we should fire Caleb on his own channel.
No, don't do it. So that's going to be the question because obviously the other headers we installed were 1 3/4 and we had to grind. So it's going to be interesting to see what we do with these 1 7/8. All right.
Probably in the way.
So let's just get a quick idea here.
Nope. We're hitting.
Are we hitting?
Nah.
We're not? Clear? Nah. You kidding me?
Nah.
Oh, yeah, we're touching.
Yeah, we're touching. That's false knock all
Well, I
day
mean, it's
long.
hitting the cart too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna hit.
On the side yet a little bit.
We'll just give it a little love. That's it.
A little love to it.
8 pound sled, it's not that one. Well, we grind that off on the hood.
Yeah.
Stick, so we can do
We
it
almost
a little
opened it up. A little edge right there.
bit. Just a little bit.
Tap it a little bit and see.
We'll see what happens.
Yeah, I'm gonna dig it down, break it off.
Uh-oh. Bracket's in the way. All right, guys. So we're getting back on the little 91 here. First thing we're going to try and do is track down. It's a pretty small coolant leak. We're going to see if we can't find it. See what the dealio is. Man, this engine is just immaculate. Absolutely immaculate. Alright, so we got some pressure on it. Heater hoses. Don't hear any hissing.
It's probably just gonna have to sit a while.
Mm-hmm. See anything underneath?
It didn't drip nothing, but the had the pressure off of it since.
Yeah. Alright, so we're going to let that just kind of sit. We don't hear any hissing, don't see anything immediate, so obviously it's kind of a small leak, but we'll just leave, what do you got, 16 pounds on it?
Something like that.
Yeah, about 16 pounds of pressure and see if it'll get us some drips or something. And we got a little bit of a puddle down there. But it's timing cover water pump area. See anything?
Over.
I see it.
Where is it?
Where is it?
It's either
See that
the
right there?
water pump gasket or the backing plate, which it looks like the backing plate's
Or
leaking on the
right
water
there.
pump.
Ah, okay.
I think the backing plate on the water
Oh,
pump's
that's
leaking.
clear. Oh, okay. He got it clear.
That fooled us earlier, Ken.
Oh.
Don't feel bad. The lower
I
intake's
touched it.
clear
Once I
coated.
touched it, I was like, that's not it.
Yeah, I think it's his backing plate on the water pump.
Oh, okay. Well, that ain't no trouble then.
Man,
Yeah, clear coat on the intake.
All right. So,
Nice.
the verdict on the coolant leak looks like we need to put a water pump on it, which it happens. Nothing to it. All right, y'all. With no time to spare, I'm going to go ahead and yank this water pump off. Dover and Ken are dial indicating.
You know what you're doing there?
No. Never done this in my life. So, we're just going to kind of wing it and hope for the best. All right, y'all, water pump is off. I'm gonna take care of that coolant leak. Had a couple different things going on. Looked like it was coming from the weep hole, and then we had, like the gasket didn't look like it was sitting on there too well either. But, oh well, cheap water pump. Got it off, gonna throw another one on there after I clean the timing cover. I'm not going to show you how I clean the timing cover because it's really boring and it takes a long time and it sucks. Right, Ken?
All cleaning sucks.
Yes.
That's the second part of the job.
Gasket
Valve
removal.
cover gaskets, anything you gotta remove, gasket material, it sucks.
So, no, I'm not going to show you brushing and scraping and
I didn't show
cussing.
them the whole getting all the silicone off the front cover.
Exactly. But anyway, there you go. Get this thing cleaned up, put back together. All right, guys, so quick update, real quick. Look here. Ken and Dover got the
And Corey.
tranny. Oh, Corey!
Corey lifted the
Corey,
transmission
what
by
you
himself and brought it
doing?
over here.
Corey is a
like,
beast.
We were like, hold on, get a couple people, and Corey's like, what are you talking about?
Corey's arms are bigger than most people's legs, just so you know. He's kind of shop security. But yeah, guys, all bolted up, all dial indicated and feeler gauged and all that good stuff. So right now they're bolting on the Cook's headers. I, on the other hand, am over here doing foxbody stuff. Yeah, doing little foxbody stuff. We're back to basics here, putting the water pump on, and we'll call it good. So let's do it. Yours is better than mine. Not a place for sausage fingers, Ken.
Sorry.
All right, y'all. The 91 is back together. Just got to get the belt back on it and put some coolant. She's good to go. And we didn't get to tackle rolling the fender wells or doing the exhaust leak, but we were thinking it was going to be something like a hose and not a whole water pump. But we got that taken care of. But stay tuned. We will have more on this. We're actually going to do 5-lug and big brakes on that. So more builds coming. I swear to God, I will have more updates on the builds that are here. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Catch you next time. Later, guys.